got a drunk driver here in front of me. I'm gonna pull him over and go ahead and see what's up. We need a female officer to conduct a female body search. We have a female prisoner we need to transport. Get your hands up. Got a runner here. He's running. Okay, everybody, how's everything going? I need backup and I need it now. Officer 666, please respond. Officer down, we need backup. Okay, let's go. Put your hands in the air. We have a rave in progress. I need all units to respond. Repeat last message, 10-9. Roger that. Shots fired. We're gonna need a strip search over here. Surround him. Where's my backup?